yourself to be beef. Mama, sister, 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 sister. Finally, after a very long time, a year actually, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa Nan Massacre. At ngayon, hindi ako bumalik para lang pagtripan ng madre na to, ang kupal na to more likely. Ako'y nagbabalik para subukan na tapusin at hamunin ang larong to na ibigay sa akin ng best gut nila, ang best kill nila para matapos ko ang game na to. At yes, simulan agad natin to video na to. Let's go! Alright, so we're here. We are so back, you know that? We're just gonna go straight to the ano mismo, to the flashlight. Ay, flashlight? Lighter yun, di ba? Ah, lighter, yeah, power. Then, we're just gonna go freaking here. Sheesh, lagi naman. At medyo iba yung control guys, kaya medyo nanibago ako, yun o. Hindi ko siya kailangan i-click yung inventory, yung stun, yung run, yung hit and run. Wow, hit and run.
Demonyo ka talaga eh, no?
Let's just see. I made a freaking noise. I made a freaking... Tol, get the freaking... Okay, nakuha na. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. No, 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 no. No, wag ka maglalag. Not now, no. 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 Hell no.
Hell no, I'm out of it!
Sir, can you like not... Just don't exist in my life, okay? Can you just go out? Umalis ka na lang dito at huwag ka na magpapakita sa akin kahit kailan, you know? That will be the best move you can ever do. Trust me on that, okay? You know, I'm scared of freaking atmosphere. Hey! Ano yun? Ina mo?
Isa-isa lang!
Isa-isa lang, okay, chill. Lahat papatulang ko, isa-isa lang. Oo. Isa-isang jumpscare lang, okay? Lahat papatulang ko. Walang mapag-iiwanan dito. Sure, okay? Sure. Ba't ko pa kasi hinamon tong laro to na ano? Takutin ako. CR? Hello? Is this a bathroom? A bathroom? Really now? Are we serious right now? Just run all the way lang ako kaya medyo basic pa siya sa akin ngayon. I mean always naman eh. Please don't tell me dito siya. Yeah, wala siya. Yeah. Woo. 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 Relax, relax. I need a freaking win. I mean air. Yeah. Win tuloy. Ano ba yan? What the heck is that kid na naririnig ko? Hinga ka ng hinga? Pwede ba wag ka na lang huminga? Ganon. Like seryoso, wag ka na lang huminga. Pwede ba? I didn't even get paid enough para gawin tong larong, para maglaro ng mga ganitong klaseng horror game. You know that? Ha? So how dare you natakutin ako? Like, who do you think you are? Okay, sure. Okay, joke lang. Bibiro lang ako. Sabi ko nga. I'm just joking around po. Lagi naman eh. Lagi naman, di ba? Hindi nyo naman ako binabayaran na sapat para laruin tong freak na game na to, you know? We need to freaking do this fast, you know? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Kala mo ah. I know, you show yourself to be beef. Alam mo, daan ako din yan eh. Tingnan mo nga naman ang katangahan ng bobong. Na ano yung nasa statics mo by the way, you know that? Hell no, please. I only have one job at yun yung tapusin larong to, okay? Oh, hell na, magkaka-encounter na ka. Eto na ba? Encounter na ba? Isa na lang. Bibigay na ako. I mean, hindi yung bibigay na yun, okay? Ngayon na nakita ko ulit siya, I feel like I'm not gonna be no longer confident to this game, like legit. Nakawala na yung confidence ko sa larong to. And I don't know why, but sure. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one. Now we just have to get the freaking key, right? The freaking, ito. Tapos mag-ano na tayo, wait lang. Kunin mo yung susi. Ayan, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good ah. Sheesh. Ano ba, ba't ako tinatayo ng balahibo? Ba yan? Wala akong balahibo. Pero nararamdaman ko yung balahibo ko. Ayoko sayangin yung mga opportunity ko dito as soon as possible ha. Kaya tigil-tigilan mo akong madre ka. Baka masaktan kita. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo. Woo! First try. Sheesh. Diliman na ako sa paligid. Di ko na kaya. I can't do this anymore. You know that? Please lang. Wag muna ngayon. Not now. I'm almost freaking done, you know? Alam mo yun? Patapos na ako. Like, pwede ba? Tapos nakalak pa to. So how am I supposed to get to this room? Or whatever it is. Whatever it's called. Ha? So it was here, right? Dito yun, di ba? If it's here, then should... Pakabula tayo. Sige, ready na ako eh. Mama! Sister! 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 Hey! Sister! Aray ko, sister! Aray ko! Aray ko! First of all, what the hell is that? You almost killed me. Like, not just in the game. Sa totoong buhay mismo, legit. At ayoko na mangyari pa yun. Please lang. I don't know what to do. Ano pa ba dapat ko gawin dito? Puro naman this time, okay na, di ba? Yeah, okay na. Okay na yung place. Ayun, okay na, bali, naka-intact na lahat. And I have to like... No. Sa second floor pala yun. So I have to go down. No. I'm being too sensitive sa larong to, legit. Natakot na ako, hayop kang madre ka, you know? Grabe, bigla ka ba naman kasing Tawag dito, bigla ka ba naman kasing talunan na lang, magtatagain ka. No, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Wala akong ginagawa. I'm just minding my own business here, you know? I'm just minding. Can you just shut the freak up muna for a minute? Like, pwede ba patahimikin mo muna itong mga pinagagawa ng mga alaga mo dito, sister? Hello? No. Chill. Now I know bakit ako nag-rage quit sa larong to. I pretty much know everything. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-explain pa. I don't need to freaking explain myself. Sister, can you chill? Okay? Kasi I just want to finish this freaking game, you know? That's my only goal, you know? My one and only goal is to freaking escape you. And your chaotic na mo, gago ka. Gago. I'm gonna freaking regret this later. I'm gonna fuck this game. I know I'm gonna regret this. Alam ko talagang pagsisisihan ko to. Handa na ako. Sister, can you give me a minute, okay? Give me a minute, sister. Please, yun lang hihilingin ko sa'yo. Give me a chance and trust me, I will freaking finish this game in a freaking instant, you know? Just trust me. Makikita mo hinahanap mo. Ulul ka. Hindi masasayang lahat ng mga sigaw ko dito. Alam mo? Hindi talaga. Hindi ko hayaan na mangyari yun. At hindi ko hayaan na ikaw pumigil sa akin. Kupal ka, you know? Wala pa nagsasabi sa'yo, kupal ka. Okay? Ina mo. Hayop ka. This is the second and last na lalaruin kita. Ayoko na. I'm so freaking done to you. Tapos na ako sa mga kagaguhan mo sa buhay. Tapos na ako sa mga trip mo. Tapos na ako sa lahat. Okay? Ayoko na. Once and for all, tatapusin ko na talaga to. Please, give me the freaking gear. Nice one. Babalik tayo sa clock, right? Yeah. Babalik tayo dun. We will go there. Kahit ano mangyari, sheesh. Kahit natatakot na ako. Kahit takot na ako. Hindi ako pwede sumuko. Hayop talaga. Sige. Try mo. I double dare you. Sige, try mo. Halika. Lumapit ka sa akin, sister. Lumapit ka, matapang ka, di ba? Pakita mo kung sino ka ngayon. I'm getting closer to the freaking ending at hindi na kita hahayaan na pigilan pa ako ulit. Hayop ka sagad. Sagad yung kahayupan mo, you know? Okay, so the first letter is letter what? Okay, so 7. Wait lang. Because I'm studying this button for a very long time. So 7. Okay, 7 9 me joke lang. Okay, 7 9. Wait lang. 7 7 9 7 9 3. Okay. 7 9. Wait lang, ano yan? 7935. Okay, so 7935. Wait lang. Let me try this okay? I think magpa-plus 1 tayo. 7935 eh. So, wait lang. If it's, wait lang. Off ko ngayon ko. Sandali lang wait lang. So, 7935, right? So it should be 8. Since 10 is, pag nag-add ka ng 1 sa 9 is equals to 10. We'll get the 0. So, as for the 3 naman, gagawin natin siyang 4. At pretty much manghuhula na lang tayo dito. I think 8, 7. Absolute cinema. Practicing this game a lot. Ever since nung tawag dito. Ever since nung pinasigaw ako ng larong to. And now I'm so done to you. Okay? It's so over. Sunugin mo yan. I'm no longer letting you stop me. No? Kasi wala nang hintuan to. Give me the freaking candle. Nope. Wala nang hintuan to. You can only scare me twice or thrice. Depende kung ilang beses mo gugustuhin. But you cannot stop me from getting the ending. You know? I've been practicing. Nagpa-practice ako ever since nung tawag dito. Ever since 2025. And finally! Abot kamay ko ng ending. Diba? Please. We are pretty much done in here. Okay, sure. Get the freaking head tapos alis na tayo dito, okay? We're gonna get out of here. Tama na. There you go. Hey, we got a letter. Mother cuddle and protect their children. I'm going to save this child, no matter what I have to be. This pain will save my daughter. A good mother knows that I can give her discipline, but not as her mother. Her mother will try to protect her from the pain she felt. If I can save her as mother, then her mother will have to live. The sister will have to guide her. This home will be her school. This woman will be her teacher. She will understand that it's because her mother loves her. It's because God loves her. God's love discipline, you know. And I think we are done, right? Anyway guys, hopefully ay nag-enjoy kayo doon dahil ako, even though matagal akong may galit sa larong to dahil hindi ko siya matapos-tapos at napakahirap ng puzzle, I still managed to pull it off right now, okay? At iba talaga yung feeling na natapos mo yung larong once na nagpahirap sa'yo, you know? And yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next vid guys, okay? Click nyo lang yung video ko always at trust me, patatawanin ko kayo. Okay? So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Alright tayo dyan, palisin mo, pupa, stay humble.